Google Maps black icon. So what is going on? So it seems there is a new weird bug in Google. So here you can see it. Google Maps has now a black icon after the last update on iPhone. Anyone else having these issues? Here you can see it. This is what people see. Is super weird. So first of all, you need to know that this seems to be happening after update 25.08.0. So if you just go to like App Store and you have Google Maps, so I would really recommend you to disable auto updates and make sure you don't upgrade to this latest version, 25.08.0. Just don't upgrade there because it contains a weird bug and it basically makes your Google Maps icon black. And then a lot of reviews in here. What's happening? People think maybe this is specifically Google did it, like Duolingo. People try to delete and reinstall it. People try to turn off their phone and stuff. All of those things, but it doesn't help. But nope, it's not helping, and seems the issue is far from being fixed. You can read on the Google support forum in here, and what's like the community experts suggest that you basically need to clear application data, Google usage ID, restart the device, check again. Nothing of this helps, so people tried it out, and then basically the top advice here as of right now is that you just need to upgrade to iOS 18 if you're on iOS 17 or iOS 16. So that's the top advice in here. But people again say that, it doesn't help. And if you're on an older phone, for example, you have iPhone 12 and you have iOS 16 or something, and you upgrade into iOS 18, usually, your phone will become super slow. So you need to be really careful. That's like what Apple does. If you have an older phone and you upgrade to the latest iOS, then you just need to buy a new iPhone because, your iPhone becomes super slow. It happens to all users, or sometimes. And so what to do? So in my case, I would just still wait a bit because this is clearly some weird glitch. Maybe Google Maps just will fix it itself. I wouldn't rush to upgrade to iOS 18, especially if you have some older phone, because the reviews of iOS 18 are still kind of mixed. People with like iPhone 13 or older experience super slowdown of their devices, and just because of that one icon, whole your phone can become super slow if you just update to iOS 18. Plus, people say that it not necessarily fixes the issue, so you just need to know what you're doing there. So that's basically the update. So I would suggest just to wait a bit more. For me, it works perfectly normal. I have iOS 17, some older version, and I have iPhone 14 Pro Max or something like that, and it's also that's basically the idea. So for me, I see the normal icon. And by the way, the app itself works normal. There are not bugs in the app itself, just the app icon is super bugged. So that's super annoying. And that's just what it is. I mean, it's like, that's just what happens. I don't know. I would suggest you again, just to wait for a few days. Maybe just put this app somewhere on your screen, just on the back of your screen. Just make it jiggling and move it to the back of your screen, and then just update to the latest version again in a few days. Of course, if you just want to go for it, just update to iOS 18. Then, it doesn't help all users, but this is what you can try to do. So that's about it.